Guys, have you ever imagined surfing in the middle of a city? Not at the beach, not in the ocean, but in a river. That's right, Munich has one of the most unique surf spots in the world, Eisbach Wave. This place is not just surprising, but it's also a serious challenge, even for pro surfers. What's it like to surf here? Let's dive in. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you love extreme sports or just enjoy discovering crazy places around the world, this video is for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more awesome content. So guys, this is Eisbach Wave, a man-made standing wave in the Eisbach River, right in the middle of Munich. It's actually part of the Englischer Garten, one of the largest urban parks in the world. But instead of just relaxing here, surfers have turned this place into their playground. The crazy thing is, this wave never stops. It's created by the fast-flowing water and underwater rocks, forming a constant, powerful wave. And guess what? This isn't a small ripple. The wave can reach up to 1 meter high, making it one of the best river surfing spots in the world. Here's the thing, surfing here wasn't always allowed. Back in the 1970s, surfers started riding this wave illegally. The authorities tried to stop them, but over time the spot became so famous that in 2010, Munich officially legalized river surfing here. But there are some rules. Only experienced surfers are allowed on the main wave, and you need a strong board that can handle the fast current. If you're a beginner, don't worry. There's another section downstream with a smaller, safer wave. Surfing here is a totally different experience from ocean surfing. Since this is a standing wave, it doesn't move forward like sea waves. Instead, you have to balance in one place while the river rushes beneath you. A lot of people fall within seconds, but once you get the technique right, the feeling is absolutely insane. You can ride endlessly without paddling, just pure balance and control. So guys, would you dare to try surfing in a river? If you love a challenge, Eisbach Wave is a must visit. And even if you don't surf, just watching the action here is already super fun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next adventure, guys.